Hello everyone, this is Miss She with another geometry constructions video. Today we are going to work on the equilateral triangle, and we only need one line segment and then we can construct an equilateral triangle. Again, the steps are on the right on this side. This goes in your notebook along with your constructions. Also, you can annotate any part of this that is confusing and bring in those questions to class. So I have one line segment, and by the end of this, I need to have an equilateral triangle. So let's do the first step, which is segment copy the line. If you missed this segment copy video, then what you can do is go to the link somewhere either on the screen or down below, but there could be a link somewhere so that you can figure out what is this segment copy. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to draw a little arc. Whoops. Make sure you keep the pressure on the needle here. And I'm going to draw it with a straight edge anywhere on this arc, because anywhere on this arc and this point is going to be equal because it is a radius. So I can draw anywhere on that arc. Now, I dropped my straight edge. On one point, draw an arc with a radius of the length of the segment. So again, I'm going to do this again. So I'm going to draw in an arc like this. Oh, look, it continues. Okay. And then finally, draw in another arc. If this looks familiar, this should look like our constructing a triangle video, but now we just have an equilateral triangle. Okay, on the other point, draw another arc with a radius of the length of the segment. So this is step number 3. I drew on the other point an arc with a radius of the line segment. Identify the intersection of the two arcs. That is my intersection point of my two arcs. And then draw segments from the intersection point to the points on the first line segment. And I dropped my straight edge. So oh no. I dropped my straight edge, so I'm just going to use a different straight edge. Okay. Ta-da! And you can check that these are all equal lengths. To tell that they're equal lengths, you can literally just measure. Good. So it reaches all 3 points the same length. Also, to indicate on a figure if all the segments are the same length, you can make sure they all have the same symbol on them. In this case, it's a little dash. I'll move this so you can write this down. If you have any questions, write them below and bring them to class. See ya!